Sorry. I'm not interesting about this. So much pasa online, okay? And I'm sure this is a trick. This is the way for you to get inside a cage and asking money to you. Okay? I know everything. So no one can blame me in this you know, this is not the real Faza. No Faza, this is not the real Faza. I'm not interested.
Marami tayong makikita mga kalokohan. Ganun lang talaga ang buhay OFW. May naalala ako sa kambing na yan. Yung naniligaw niya. Sinusunod lang yung kambing. Nahawakan niya yung sungay na.
Thanks for watching. Enjoy yourself. I love you all. God bless. Happy every day.